Evening guys, it's me. I have been inundated with a message. No, with lots of messages from you guys. Wondering where I am, because I haven't put any videos out. So I thought I'd just do a quick, so this is today, right now. It is the 19th of March, 6 o'clock. Where have I been? Where have I been? Me and Charlie have just picked some lady up off the side of the A17. Well, I didn't even do that. I got it jump started. Police were there. Police were on scene, right? Listen to this. A tyre guy has turned up, given her a new tyre, charged her 250 quid. She's then gone, I'm really sorry, my battery has died with my hazard lights on for so long because I've been waiting. And he's gone, it's not my problem, and just left her. So the police and I, we both had a chat, like raging about it. Anyway, long and the short of it is, me and Charlie have got her going. Didn't need to recover her, just got her going and she's on her way. I've got an exciting update about this. V6 is alive! Woo-hoo! Can't wait to share that with you. Where have I been? I did 2 videos. I've got 2 videos for you. One of them is about mental health. I filmed it in here and I hated it. I've watched it about 5 or 6 times and I hate it. I think I'm going to refilm it because I miss quite a lot of points. I even got quite emotional about it at one point. Didn't really like it. Didn't feel comfortable putting it out because it wasn't up to the quality that I wanted. I wasn't really going to message or do anything. I just thought, oh, I'll just have a break for a couple of weeks. And I'm not even joking, I must have had 25 emails, about 10 messages on Facebook, all just saying, Ben, I hope you're okay. We're missing your videos. Hope everything's okay. Are you alive? Yeah, I'm here. I'm working. I was down here late last night working on that. But yeah, it's all good. Don't worry. I'm here, and there is more stuff coming. Thank you very much to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I think that's about it. I'm gonna go and see if I can hash together a video for you. I've got some stuff. I'm gonna see if I can make it good. That's why I've got my laptop down. Got my laptop there, so I'm going to take the laptop back now. Yeah, be safe, be well. Thanks for watching. Sorry that there's been a delay. I promise I will get better at this, but I was trying to do something a little bit different and it didn't really work. I didn't like it, and I wouldn't want to put a video out that I wasn't 100% happy with because I know that you like the quality, not the quantity. So I don't want to just belt feed you crap, so you get good videos. All right? Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Much love. See you on the next one.
Don't look before you leave. What you give